Welcome everyone. I'm so happy you're joining us on this journey. Oh, here's Pearl. This is my dog. This is Soul Movement 7-Day Reiki and Yoga Challenge. I'm Carrie, and I'll be your guide for the 7 days. We're going to connect with our higher selves to gain personalized wisdom and direction. We're going to connect with our bodies through gentle movement and breath. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Day 1 of our 7-day challenge, Eagle and Mouse Vision, a guided Reiki journey. This meditation will empower you and bring insight and direction from both a broad perspective, as if you're looking through the eyes of an eagle, and a close-up view, as if you're looking through the eyes of a mouse. This meditation is a wonderful way to orientate yourself for the new year ahead. What to expect. I will guide you through a visualization, creating a relaxed state with heightened perceptions. Throughout the meditation, there will be opportunities to reflect and write your personal insights. These newfound insights are important to listen to, as they're coming from your higher self. Let them guide and support your personal journey and decision-making. This guided Reiki journey can be done repeatedly. Each time you will gain more clarity about where your path is going, as well as specific details necessary to accomplish these goals. A few things you'll need: a warm, comfy, quiet space to sit or lie down, a glass of water or tea, optional, and perhaps a pen and paper to write your insights. Let us begin. Eagle and Mouse Vision Journey. Get comfortable. Close your eyes and notice your breath. Place your hands in gasho or prayer posture and focus your attention between your palms. As thoughts arise, just refocus your attention between your palms. As you breathe in from the center of the earth, filling your body up with nourishment and care. As you breathe in the light from the highest heaven, filling your body up with a sense of expansion, softness, and flow. Heaven and earth meet within you. Your perceptions expand. The archangels become visible in your awareness. You can see they are here all around you, shining their light into your light. All the world's spiritual paths and religions working together. You feel safe and supported. Place your hands comfortably on your body now. You notice that there's a beautiful bridge of light in front of you. On the bridge are beautiful beings in the light. They are inviting you to step onto the bridge of light with them to cross to the other side. You decide you would like to go, as you want to connect with your higher self in a deeper way. You want to expand your vision and gain guidance for your next steps. So you step onto the bridge of light and you hear the songs of the angels. Their songs wash over you, cleansing the layers and the ways and worries of the world that hide you from yourself. As you walk, you move through the color red, and then the color orange, yellow, then green. You look over the side of the bridge and you see the river of life. It is flowing from the sacred mountains in the distance. It feels so good and welcoming to be here. You've been here before. The light from the heavens is shining on the waters, sparkling colors and prisms and rainbows, making a mist of color as you continue to step forward into the color blue, then indigo, and then violet. Every part of you awakes. You step on the other side of the bridge and you find yourself in the most extraordinary place. You see a pathway following along the river of life. The riverbank is filled with life of every kind: animals, trees, plants, and birds. You breathe deeply as you breathe in the clean air. You walk to the river and find a place where the water is pure and clear. You cup your hands into the water and take a long drink. The river of life flows through you, awakening the river of life within you that has been here from the moment of your first breath. It's so peaceful here. You remember you came here to connect with your higher self and to gain guidance about your path. You continue along the pathway and arrive at the field of possibilities. The enlightened ones are here. It's so beautiful, filled with grass and wild flowers. The sky is a beautiful blue, clouds puffy and white. The enlightened ones are inviting you to join their circle. Here in the field of possibilities, you lift your mind higher. You can hear the songs of the angels, and you begin to spread your wings and become an eagle, circling upwards, around and around. You gain a higher and higher perspective. You feel expansion and deep connection with divinity, a sense of wisdom and love as you connect with the source. You are one and the same. Anything blocking this connection is lifted into the light. Allow the medicine of the eagle to help purify balance and shine light on your vast potential. Gain the strength from the eagle to follow through with any work you need to do to keep this connection alive. Bring this feeling of connection with you as you start to circle back down towards the earth. As you touch down, you find yourself in the circle of light with the beautiful beings. They are blessing you. You find yourself getting smaller and smaller as you head into mouse vision here in the field of possibilities. Your attention goes inward to the cells within your body. There are trillions of cells within your body, and you choose one to get even more detail. You go into the atom of the cell and into the space around the atom. Here you become aware of the vastness and inner wisdom. Within this space, you become connected with the universe. You feel a sense of relief as you relax into your own body's intelligence. Drawing on the mouse medicine, you become alert and creative. Listening to your inner body wisdom and higher consciousness, coming from this deep feeling of connection. What is revealed to you for your next step? How can you best honor yourself? Take a moment to bring pen to paper or pause and silently reflect. What is your next step? How can you best honor yourself? Gently begin to grow back into your own self and the vision from your viewpoint. Your perceptions are heightened and your sense and intuition are awake. You begin walking back towards the bridge of light. The enlightened ones join you. They remind you that they are always here for you. They are so happy you have taken this journey to connect deeper with yourself. You step back onto the bridge and move through the color violet and indigo and through the color blue and green. The river of life sparkling and the angels singing their songs. You walk through the yellow and the orange and the red. The colors pure within you. Your consciousness present. You step to this side of the bridge, and you realize in truth you have always been inside yourself, all along, listening to you. You listen within with all your levels of consciousness. What is your next step? Take a moment and bring pen to paper again, or sit in silence and observe. You look inside and say thank you to you. You have come here today to listen and connect with yourself. Thank you to the enlightened ones. You invite them to continue to guide you. Thank you to Reiki, to Eagle and Mouse and the medicine they shared with you today. Namaste. Amen.